National Aerospace Laboratories Bangalore has released a tender, inviting bids from Indian manufacturers for the procurement of raw materials for the fabrication and assembly of AMCA Testbox. The Testbox is like an airframe that is fabricated for structural evaluation. Distributed fiber optic sensors are bonded along the bolt line of the Testbox that is required for structural health monitoring and damage diagnosis. The main requirement of the AMCA Testbox is to withstand the bird impact, combined with lower radar cross-section signature. Bharat Electronics Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with US-based firm Profense, and the partnership will be aimed for cooperation in the manufacturing and marketing of light weapons, and leveraging the complementary strengths and capabilities of both companies to jointly develop light weapons for current and future market requirements. Profense specializes in the business of defense weapon systems manufacturing and integration, and holds international patents on PFM-134 weapon system, as well as the new PF-50, PF-556, PF articulated response mount and PF small arms systems. The DRDO has started work on the fabrication of the second interceptor missile of the BMD Phase-II program known as AD-2, that can intercept intermediate-range ballistic missiles with a range between 3,000 to 5,500 kilometers. The AD-2 interceptor will start trials in late 2023, and BMD Phase-II will be validated and ready by 2025, including new long-range radar systems with a scanning capability of over 1,500 kilometers. Indian Armed Forces will soon be issuing trial clearance certification to private sector companies, so that they can offer it to export market, even if it is not procured by Indian Armed Forces. Many private sector companies offer trials of their weapon systems, but sometimes the Indian Armed Forces don't procure them immediately after lengthy trials. That often affects the export chances of the platform. Trial clearance certification will be given to companies whose weapons or products were offered for user trials and had cleared the internal evaluation of the Indian Armed Forces. Weapons contract in India is awarded to the lowest bidder, and now the second lowest bidder can use trial clearance certification as a benchmark to sell their weapons in the export market. 2 Prachand light combat helicopters have arrived in Missimari, Assam, while the third helicopter will arrive next week, fourth helicopter by mid-December, and fifth by end of January 2024. Officials have confirmed that the first Prachand squadron will be fully operational by end of January. The Army will place an order for another 95 Prachand helicopters, out of which 70 will be deployed in mountainous regions along the LAC. Warship Production Superintendent Conclave was organized by Warship Overseeing Team Kolkata, under which all the stakeholders discussed latest production and project management techniques being followed by public and private shipyards towards improving the defense shipbuilding process in India, innovative methods to resolve shipbuilding issues, and means to achieve 100% indigenization in defense shipbuilding sector. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology plans to establish the National Government Cloud to store sensitive data such as government and defense-related data locally. An infrastructure engineering and design agency will be selected for program management that will build a network of hyperscale data centers in various locations across the country, which are massive facilities with massive data processing and storage needs.
Omar dropped it.